Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for specialty baby product business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily on a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So that's it. Now first of all, let's create a new site. Now build with Wix editor. So here enter your business type or your website type, specialty baby product. So for example, let's choose this. Now let's continue. Now enter your store name, type any name you want. Do you already have an online store? If you already have one, choose or not. Now let's move on. What would you like to sell? Physical product, dropshipping product, services and digital product. What would you like to sell? Online store and my mobile app and marketplaces and social media. Now continue to dashboard, and here design your site. So how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize a design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. Get started. So here enter your information, your business name, your email, your address and your phone, and here if you want to add social link. Now let's continue. Pick a theme you like. Pick your favorite homepage design. Add pages to your site, news, about, careers and contact. Now your site is up and running. So if you want to edit more your website, click here. So this is your homepage website. This is the settings of your website. Uh, so if you want to add elements, click here. So the first element you have here is the text elements, the same text and the titles and the paragraphs. Now let's move on to the image. Here you find if you want to upload image, if you want to import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image. Now let's move on to the button. Here you find the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons and documents buttons and the iTunes buttons. Here you find the payments buttons. You have to add some payments buttons on your home page. The strip button, the strip elements. Here you find the classic features, about, services, contact and welcome and testimonials and the theme. So that's it. You have to select any one of these and you can add it on your home page. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the seamed lines and the basic shapes, the rows and the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. Here you find the vector art, the featured icons, animals and nature and logos in the badges and characters. You find the video elements, the video box, the video mask and transparent video. Here you find the boxes elements. So here you find the themed boxes, the container boxes, the hover boxes and the tabs. Now let's move on to the galleries. If you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you wanna add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, if you wanna show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menu and the anchor. Here you find my menus, the themed menus, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. Also here find the in-page navigation, the anchor and the in-page menu. The last here is the search, the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you find the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, the request forms and the waiver forms and subscribe forms. So now let's move on to the Google Maps. Here you find the normal maps and the full width maps. Also here you find the Wix shot, the shot and the line button. Now let's move on to the video and music. Here you find the video elements. If you want to add some video, single video players, Wix video, video box, or video mask or transparent video. Also here the music element, you find the audio players, the Wix music, SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here you find the slideshows, the full width slideshows or the box slideshows. Also here the light boxes, you find the welcome, subscribe, promotion and contact. Here you find the boxes, the hover boxes and the tabs. And the last here is the repeaters, the hover repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the list. Here you find the repeaters, the hover repeaters and the blank repeaters. Now let's move on to the embed code. If you wanna custom popular embeds, if you wanna add some single video players, if you wanna edit your audio elements, SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. Here you find the advanced elements, the marketing tools and the velodev mode. The last here is the animation element. Now let's move on to the social bar. If you wanna add social bar, select any one of these, or Facebook link, Twitter, Pinterest, or VK or Line, or YouTube. Now let's move on to the payments. So here you find the payments buttons, the payments forms, and the pricing plans and store. Let's move on. If you wanna use the CMS, if you wanna easily manage your site's content, if you wanna share your expertise and engage with your audience, if you wanna edit, manage your site, your store elements, guide product gallery, slider product gallery, related products, product widget, shopping cart, and here if you want to add your cart button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the bookings. Here you find the bookings elements, the related elements, the health waiver and the pricing plans. Here you find the events if you want to create and manage events. Here you find the community if you want to add a members area. Here if you want to manage your designs elements. Now let's move on. Here if you want to add section, select any section from here you want to add on your home page. If you want to add page on your home page website, click here. So here you can add page. Let's move on. Here if you want to design your site, you can customize your site design, the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. Here if you want to manage if you want to add apps, if you want to manage your business. Here if you want to upload your media or edit images and videos, or if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos. Here if you wanna use the CMS, easily manage your site content. Here if you wanna edit or manage the Google ads or the Facebook ads, SEO and social media marketing and the marketing integrations. You can create marketing emails. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your home page, also here you can move the sections, you can move it up or move it down, you can do a quick edit if you want to explore section layout. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.